Open, bro. Let me see. A friend of mine, something. I should bring something for him in abroad. Now, as they give me the thing, I just have to check to see what is inside. Can you see what they did to this yam? Bring it out, bro. Bring it out. So when I get to the airport, if they catch me now, they will deport me. Can you see what is inside? This is crazy. This is weird. Because I want to help him. You see? That's because I want to help him and bring some things. Remove all those things. I'm going to put everything here, no problem.
Can you imagine?
Put it here. I know, I told you, right?
I didn't try to warn you to.
You did, bro. Just put it here. Put it. No issue, no issue, no issue.
Can you imagine?
Don't think I don't want to get people's attention.
Can you imagine?
But that guy, I'm supposed to bring that guy. Can
you imagine? Not even this one, it's that one over there.
No, him. He's aware about this. The guy is aware.
He knows about it now. I ain't drum now.
He knows. That's why I said I could have brought him here.
Can you imagine?
I didn't even have brought him here.
Can you imagine? All in the name of you want to smoke weed and get you into problems.
He wants to sell all these things, you see?
You can imagine. Look at. Huh? Imagine this.
You see?
Hmm?
Remove everything.
Wait, is this immigration are full? Can you imagine?
These things has been happening.
It's been happening, they know it.
And he knows. He knows my situation now.
Look at.
No worry, it's okay.
Look at.
It's okay. It's better you smart in this life. You have to be smart.
I told you now.
Oh my God. Me as ex-personnel, as ex-serviceman, you want to implicate me and ruin my life. You want to ruin me. Please check the other one. Bring the other one. Can you see it? Can you see it? Not be say
I'm inside.
Yeah, open it, bro.
I don't know if this one is okay.
Just open it.
I'm sure it's the same thing.
Open.
What happened was it?
It's the same thing. Open it.
Same thing. Look at.
Open it.
Look at.
Open it. Bring it out. This one will go social media.